This is a 2012 Hyundai Elantra that Tint Pros will be installing paint protection film known as Venture Shield on the forward section of this car, including the hood, partial hood, wing ends of the fender, and the side view mirrors. That is going to be cut for the 2012 Elantra. You can see the tech surrounding it with a prompt to initiate cutting. This polyurethane is 8 mil thick, retains its color, gloss, and durability for a warranted period of 5 years. Actually, if it's maintained properly, it lasts long into the future. This is a Tint Pros tech weeding out the polyurethane paint protection film that's going to be installed on the driver's side wing end of the fender. Tech is preparing the fender end with mounting solution and precisely installing the fender end around the sweep of the front headlight and running light. Okay, at this point we're weeding out the hood film. It's going to go up onto the leading edge of the hood about 18 inches from top to bottom. We have the Tint Pros tech preparing the hood with mounting solution. Careful to keep the film away from anything that might attach a foreign substance, attach itself to it while it's wet. Carefully laying it. Edges, make certain that we have proper coverage. In this particular installation, you can see that the coverage of the film is nearly half of the entire hood. Spraying the top of the polyurethane film so that when he squeegees, the excess water underneath and creates a starting point that doesn't leave scratches on the film itself. It's very delicate and temperamental during the installation phase. The tech is applying some heat in the form of steam to the leading edge of the polyurethane film. This allows for a more pliable material so that we can stretch it across the areas to create an invisible seam along the edge, leading edge of the hood and along the edges where the hood and fenders meet. Is applying some alcohol solution that allows the water to dry up and activates the adhesive in a manner that allows it to tack down and create a point from where the film can begin a permanent installation. Of the Venture Shield installed on the hood, wing ends of the fender, and side view mirrors of this 2012 Hyundai Elantra. This was done for Parma Imports, Ganley Parma Imports, and Parma, Ohio, for a new customer.